This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See that I'm thinking, I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data released us is false. It really gives a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, the Department of Justice found resources to go after Apple for antitrust violations, for monopoly violations, because Apple doesn't allow rivals access to their software or to their hardware. So that means that these big dogs can't put their apps or even their malware onto Apple's platform, and the DOJ is suing on their behalf. Okay? The DOJ is suing Rival on behalf of private businesses that Apple don't want on their platform. Tell me how crazy that is. Yet they claim Apple has a monopoly, but somehow Citadel, as a market maker, the hedge fund, and the dog pool, the DOJ doesn't see any violations of our antitrust laws. They don't see any violations of our RICO laws. They don't see any violations of our monopoly laws. It's absolutely crazy to me that they go after Apple on behalf of other businesses losing money, because that's really what it boils down to. These other businesses are complaining to the Department of Justice because they're losing money because they can't get access to Apple's platform. Yet, retail investors have been losing trillions of dollars over the last 3 years, probably longer than that, but the last 3 years since we've been paying attention. And somehow the DOJ has not sued anybody in court to question them about the trillions of dollars that's being stolen from retail investors for the last 3 years. And they can't say it is resources because the fraud and corruption in AMC, GME, and other plays is actually very overwhelming. You don't even need any real resources to do the investigation. All you need is common sense and a calculator. How can the float be X? Yes, they traded 100 times the float in less than a year. How is that mathematically possible? How have they shorted 100 times the float? I mean, it's basic common sense, but they are not concerned about that. They're concerned about protecting the 1%. And when the 1% is losing money by not being able to get on Apple platform, the DOJ steps in to protect the big businesses' interest. It is absolutely crazy to me that there's no resources to investigate the fraud and corruption where retail investors and pension funds are losing money, but there's resources to sue Apple when big businesses are losing money. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's a good use of DOJ resources to go after Apple when Citadel is the market maker, the hedge fund, and the dog pools, yet the DOJ is silent? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.